Hi, I'm Sarah, and welcome to TechizVibe, where we make AI easy for everyone. Today, I will show you how to create a stunning AI avatar using Leonardo AI. If you have ever wanted to create a professional AI avatar like me to present your content without ever showing your real face, let me show you how to do it absolutely free. The first step I followed is creating an avatar image along with its background using Leonardo AI. Before we jump in, let's talk about something super important: how to write a good prompt. Now, you might be thinking, wait, what's a prompt? It's basically just a fancy way of saying you need to describe in words what you want the AI to create. To make an awesome avatar, you should already have a rough idea of how you want it to look. And the more details you give, the better your result will be. Let me break it down for you. First, decide the gender of your avatar. Next, the skin tone if you prefer to specify. Then, hair color and style: long, short, curly, straight, you name it. If it's a male avatar, you can even mention facial hair. Don't forget the outfit. Should it look casual, formal, or maybe something funky? Think about the pose too. Should your avatar be sitting, standing, smiling? And of course, the background. Is it a studio, nature, tech themed, or something dreamy? Lastly, choose the art style. Do you want it photorealistic, cartoon, anime, or digital art? So basically, the more details you give, the closer you get to that perfect AI avatar. You can actually use ChatGPT to help you write a better prompt for Leonardo AI and get way better results without overthinking it. Now just copy the prompt we got from ChatGPT, head over to Leonardo AI. You will see we get 150 free credits, which refresh daily. So don't worry, you can experiment as much as you like. Next, click on Image and simply paste the prompt into the prompt box right here. That's it, super simple. Now it's time to select the model. I'm choosing FlexDev, but you can pick any model that matches the style you want. For the style, I'm going with Portrait Cinematic because it gives a nice professional look. Next, I'm setting the image dimensions to 16:9 ratio since I'm creating this for YouTube. For guidance scale, I'm choosing medium, which works well for balanced results. In the advanced settings, I'm enabling fixed seed. This is super useful because it lets you generate similar images later in case you want consistency. Once everything is set, just click on Generate. It will use 39 credits, but remember, we get 150 free credits daily, so you are good to go. And within seconds, your AI avatar will be ready. You can try different prompts, change jacket colors, or experiment with poses. Pick the one you like best. Download it. Now, in the next section, I will show you how to animate this image and turn it into a YouTube presenter, just like I'm doing here. But here's a quick heads up. With Leonardo AI's free tokens, you might not be able to create different poses of the same avatar, even if you use a fixed seed. For consistent characters with multiple poses or angles, you will need a paid plan or a creative workaround. Don't worry, in my next video, I will show you a simple trick to create consistent AI characters and animate them easily, completely free. For now, you can use this avatar as your profile picture, YouTube banner, or social media icon. Bring it to life as a talking presenter. Make sure to check out my next video where I will show you how to animate your AI avatar step by step. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an AI hack. See you in the next video.